Hello everyone, welcome to Tony Digital Academy. My name is Tony Jane. In today's video, we will discuss how to get clients as a beginner. How to get clients as a beginner. Many people learn digital skills like social media management, Facebook shop management, Instagram shop management, graphic design, content creation, and all that. But the big question is, how do you get clients? And you know, whatever skills you have, people need to buy your skills. People need to pay for your skills. So how do you get clients as a digital marketer? In this video, I will show you practical ways of getting clients, even with a little experience. I will show you how you can get clients. So let's go into the video. If you follow me through this video, you can stay to the end and watch this video. I'll be showing you the practical steps of how you can get clients. The first thing you do is understanding the problem. You understand the problem. These days, you don't just say you have skills and you are out to solve people's problems. If you have ability to solve problems, you are halfway in digital marketing. The most important thing for you to get clients is to understand the problem. Many people only have skills to solve problems. Their mindset is that, oh, I have what is required to solve customer problem. Then, if you are at that level, without a client, you are nothing. But if you are the type that have the ability to understand problem when you see it, you will be able to come to the business of a potential client and show him or her problems that could be solved, better ways of doing business. You will discover it and you'll be able to tell the owner of business that this can be done this way, this can be done better. And they will tell you, are you sure? So you have the understanding of the problem. Then you're able to show it to the client, and from there, the client will ask you to experiment it. And when you do it and the customer see the benefit it brings to in doing business, and see the ease it brings to in doing business, and the efficiency and the effectiveness of your solution, then the client will buy your idea. And that is exactly what is required. One mistake beginner makes is waiting until they become perfect before looking for clients. No. As a matter of fact, the digital environment is evolving. You cannot wait till you are perfect. And in fact, there is no time you can claim to have arrived. You must continue to evolve. Things are changing. What you think you know today, or what you know yesterday, in the next few days, it becomes obsolete. So that your perfection is a starting point for another person, for another idea. So you must start where you are. You must start doing something. You improve while working. And you need to know that small business owners, they need help every day. They need help. Many business owners do not understand the social media marketing. They didn't understand the social media environment. So you as an online, as a digital marketer, you are the one to show the problem, show problems and solutions to the business owner. And that is when they will buy into your idea and hire you to do what you claim you can do. And when you do it and it improves their business, then up you go, you start making money. Your skill can solve a problem for many people out there. Some of us will think that, until people fish you out, until people link you up. You don't need anybody to link you up. You create business. You walk into somebody's business and create opportunity there. You create opportunity. A lot of people are out there, they need digital services, but they don't know they need it. You are the one to discover it. So that's what we mean by understanding the problem, the environment, the digital space, challenges. You understand it, you're able to fish it out, you're able to figure out some challenges that can help a business owner to do things better. And that is a way you, is a very great way you spot client. Now let's look at the next thing. Start with free practice. As a business person, as a digital person, you must be able to do freebies. Number one, you practice your skill. Like I mentioned, you cannot be perfect in a day. And whatever skill you have, if you are not practicing it, you cannot get better on that skill. The very first few activity you do, you may not be perfect. But the more you do it, the more you practice the skill, the better the perfect to become. So you need to practice your skill before looking for clients. And how do you practice your skill before looking for clients? Number one is certain that you practice your skill regularly. You have to have samples. Create samples of your work. Design demo products. Create sample Facebook shop. Create sample Instagram shop. Manage a demo Instagram shop. This becomes your portfolio. Whatever you do on your own will be your portfolio, will be sample to be able to show to clients, see what I've done, see what I've done. Product design. Do some product design on your own. Open your own Facebook shop. And even if it is not real, if it is a demo, open your own Facebook shop that you can show to your client. You must continue to practice daily. Practice your skill daily in order to develop the skill. So as you do that, use the social media. Use the social media to promote yourself online. If you want to get a client, you must use the social media to promote yourself online. The social media is one of the easiest places to find clients. As you display what you can do, as you show your skill on the social media, people are seeing you. Those who need your service are seeing you. You can come up with tutorials. You can come up with some explanation that people who need your service may not even know that before, but when they see you teaching or when they see you see your article on that, they will learn. If they see your video on that, they will say, oh, this thing is applicable to my business. Then they contact you, and up there you get your client. So you must promote yourself online. You must be on Facebook. You must be on Instagram. You must be on WhatsApp, TikTok to showcase what you can do. Then post your design. The product design you have done, post it online. Tips and tutorials. Post it online. Before and after sample, that is you in the last 3 months and you now. Show yourself, show what you have been able to do 3 months ago and what you are doing now. People will see the progress in what you are doing. Then customer engagement ideas. Customer engagement ideas. That is, some of the opportunities that are available that your customer may not know, you engage them. You sell the ideas to them. You show them the possibilities in what they are doing, how your ideas can make it better. When they see all this, you can even put it to them that I'm ready to do it for you free. Render free services to potential customers. Render to help them sell online. Help them open free Facebook store. Don't worry. Sell for them. Let them see it working. You see that when they see that this thing is working, they will call on you. Even if they cannot hire you, they will refer you to a bigger client. And even when you render free services, you'll be able to use that engagement to sell your product, to sell your skills to the people who can afford you. So those that free services you render, they are not free indeed. They are serving a purpose for you. That is an opportunity to get clients. Like I said, offer help to small business owners who don't have money to hire big agencies. Render service for them. Show them what you can do. Do it using their business. Get permission to sell for them online. Get permission to open Facebook shop for them. Get permission to open Instagram shop for them, and do it for them. You can do it free of charge. Food vendors, fashion sellers, bedsheet business, phone accessory store. Do it for them. Send messages like you can send messages to some business owners. You check out their profile, get their number, get their means of reaching them, and send professional message to them. For instance, send message like this: Hello, I help business create attractive social media product posts and on online shop. I would love to support your business. Just simple message like this. Send it to them. Follow up. You discover that some of them will call you. Then you engage them and you show them what you can do. Before you know it, 1, 2, 3 people, you get one person to try your idea. Build a simple portfolio. Build a simple portfolio. Create your portfolio. Your portfolio is a proof of your skill. That is, do a list of what you can do, a sample of what you can do. For example, you have a Facebook page, that becomes part of your portfolio. An Instagram business page, that becomes part of your portfolio. Canva design samples, product post designs, ads you have created, shop setup screenshots. All these are what you can show clients that you can do. It's your own portfolio. Create a portfolio of what you can do, what you have done, and show it to clients. That's what we mean by building a simple portfolio. This will help you to engage your customer. Then start small. Don't wait till you become big. Don't wait till you become popular. In fact, what is going to make you popular are your work. Don't focus only on big clients. Don't always run after big clients. In fact, if you focus on big clients, you will not have clients, because the big clients already have people who are smarter than you, people who are experts. So whatever you do will not appeal to those big clients you are looking at. Start small. Start with a local shop around you that do not even know anything about Facebook, or that is all he knows about Facebook is to snap pictures and post it. Start with that local fashion designer around you, that little phone shop around you. Help them to start a Facebook shop. That is how to get clients online. So start with small businesses. Offer affordable services. Build experience gradually. Your first few jobs may help you gain confidence. Your first few jobs will help you gain testimonials, referrals, and experience. So the first few jobs with small businesses will help you get confidence. You get to know, you make your mistakes. Even the small business will not know that you are making mistakes, but to be able to correct those mistakes from the experience you will get doing those things. So that is how to. Those are some of the things you do to get clients online. Then use WhatsApp status. Your WhatsApp status is a very vital part of it is very important to getting clients. Many beginners is not WhatsApp status, but it's very powerful, very powerful, very powerful. Post your design, video tutorial, client offers. Post them on your WhatsApp platform, your WhatsApp status. Small short videos. You can post like 4 or 5 videos on your WhatsApp status, so that anybody that comes and clicks your status, it plays and they see the different work you can do through your status. So if you are trying to get clients, don't spam your clients. That is, don't enforce your videos on your client. Don't continually sending videos on requested videos. You are spamming the situation. You are spamming the digital space of your potential clients. You can annoy them doing that. Rather than spamming your audience, use WhatsApp status. When people see your knowledge, some will contact you even privately. This is how to get clients online. Join Facebook groups. Join Facebook groups. Join business groups, entrepreneur groups, examples, small business groups, vendor communities, digital marketing groups. Then share helpful tips regularly. Ideas. Share your ideas, join groups, and learn from other group members. This will enable you to get clients. There will be referrals. People can recommend you in a group. When you are in a group and your group members have been seeing your work, they can recommend you. They can refer you to other clients. So learn communication skills. This is very important. You need to learn communication skills in order to be able to get clients. Good communication helps you get clients faster. Learn to reply politely, respond quickly, be respectful, explain your service clearly. Professionalism makes people trust you. So you need to, hone your skills. You need to up your skills so that people will see your professionalism. And the more of this, the easier, the better it becomes for you to get clients. Then stay consistent. Be consistent in what you do. Getting clients may not happen immediately. Be consistent, be patient. You need a client, don't rush. I've said it time and time again that the digital marketing career is not a get-rich-quick syndrome. So you must be patient and be consistent, doing what you know how to do. Keep practicing, posting content, learning new skills, promoting yourself. Over time, people will begin to notice your work. So these are many things you can do to get a client. In conclusion, I want to thank you for watching this video. Remember, start the skills you already have. Start with the skills you already have. Practice consistently. Promote yourself online. Help a small business stay professional. Every expert started as a beginner. You need to know. Every expert today is start as a beginner. If you enjoy this video, like my video, share it with friends, subscribe to my channel, Tony Digital Academy, and I will see you in the next lesson. Until I come your way again, my name is Tony again.